Hey, I'm Josh from Vacuums R Us and Sewing 2, and I'm going to talk to you about Kimberbell's machine embroidery events. For those of you not familiar with Kimberbell machine embroidery events, here's a brief overview of what you can expect. After signing up for a Kimberbell event on our website, you'll receive a package that includes all of the supplies you need to complete the projects at the event. You'll also include a USB thumb drive with a preloaded design for the projects at the event. We offer all of our Kimberbell events as hybrid events. You can either attend in-store or virtually via Zoom on the big screen from the comfort of your own home. Kimberbell offers two types of events: single-day events where you'll create 3 projects and 2-day events where you'll create 5. Some of the events that Kimberbell has offered are Summer Nights, Day at the Fair, Spooktacular Soiree, and Chillin' with My Nomies. If you're nervous about machine embroidery, don't worry. Our Kimberbell authorized instructors will walk you through step by step. After you've completed the event, and we know you're going to love it, Vacuums R Us and Sewing 2 is your authorized outlet for additional Kimberbell supplies and designs.